you all are doing well, and I'm Ankita and I'm back with another video after a long time. It's been more than 1 or 1.5 years I didn't make any video. So here I am with an experimental video. Like, I'm gonna use this wooden thing to make a wall clock, and I never tried this, so this is experimental and I'm gonna use a Mandala technique for this. So ये जो circle है इससे बनेगा, you can see a hole. So this is used for wall decors. कुछ लोग इससे कुछ और wall decors बनाते हैं या फिर ये wall clock के लिए भी यूज होता है. तो yeah, and I have other stuff as well, like other basic materials which are used for making wall clocks. So those are, you can see, a wall clock mechanism and a dial. So these are the basic things which are used for making wall clock. Not even three. We can use these two, and we can use a cardboard or something else and make a wall clock out of it. So these are the basic things, and I'm gonna make an Indianized version of a wall clock where I'm gonna use this thing, this sketch, which gonna be placed here, and this is an nritya, like a woman doing nritya or dance, Indian dance form. तो ये हम लोग यूज़ करने वाले हैं. तो इसके लिए हम लोग कलर्स यूज़ करेंगे are like these three. Sorry. So these three colors we're gonna use, like blue, teal blue it is, and yellow and white. So these are the three colors which we're gonna use, and these are going to be our primary colors, and for secondary colors I'm gonna take some black and some gold. Yeah, so these are about my color or color palette, and I'm gonna use some other stuff as well, like the mirrors, and I'm gonna use some kundans as well. These are the kundans which we're gonna use, and a rhinestone chain. These are going to be our embellishments. So we're gonna use this and make an Indianized wall clock. So let's see what do we do and what do we achieve. So as you can see, I have traced it out, like I have drawn this sketch here, and this is gonna be the base thing. So I'm gonna do mandala, and so let's paint it. So you can see I have already painted this into this teal blue, आप देख सकते हैं, और मैंने ये भी ट्रेस आउट कर लिया है. तो इसको हम कलर करेंगे, एंड मैंने ये भी आउटलाइंस किए हुए हैं जहाँ पे मुझे गोल्ड करना है, एंड उसके बाद आई विल डू मंडेला. सो इसके लिए हम लोग पहले गोल्ड पेंट कर लेंगे, and I'm using Fevicryl pearl metallic colors which is in golden. So I have painted this as gold. It has to be dried, and I'm gonna use 3D outliner, like this 3D outliner for this and this line. And now I'm gonna paint this woman. So I'm gonna use yellow and gray. Like instead of black I am using gray. So let's see how does it come. So here I'm gonna use yellow as the base garment color, like the sari she's wearing. I'm gonna paint it in yellow. Oh. So here I have already painted 2 times, like I did 2 coats, and this is gonna be my third and final coat where I'm gonna do it with detailing. So let's see how does it come. So yeah, I'm done with the painting. Now I'm gonna highlight the body, and then I'm gonna add detailings, and once I'm done adding detailings, I'm gonna embellish this wall clock with different kinds of mirrors and kundans and rhinestone chains and all. So let's see. And of course I'm gonna use some 3D outliners as well, like I'm gonna use golden and white. So let's begin. So for a highlighting I'm gonna use this brown painting, like brown acrylic color. So yeah, I'm done with this painting. Now I'm gonna go for detailings, like I'm gonna use black for a detailing, and I have different materials which I'm gonna use and make this wall clock. So here I've done with all the embellishments. See, I have used kundans and all. I embellished everything. All I need to do is, like, I need to fill it using golden 3D outliner. That too just small embellishment, like prints, I would say, sari prints. And later on I'm gonna just stick mirrors here, and I'm gonna do some mandala art. That's it. So then my wall clock will be ready, and once I'm done decorating it, I'm just gonna fix this. So here it is, our wall clock is ready, and now we're gonna set these dials. I have this mechanism as well, but right now the cell I have, the battery, whatever you call it, is smaller one. So right now I can't just switch it on, or can't show you the working wall clock. So I'm just gonna fit it, like set it. So let's see how does it goes.